Well, Josh, you gave him a good workout. What do you think of it?
Yeah, look, 2 thumbs up for this new TapePro Flat Box. As you can see, it feathers off really nicely. It's a great new look in the black colour. And yeah, all good, easy to fill. Really happy with it.
So, Ganna, how did they go?
Yeah, I like the new black colour. There's a new depth adjustment here which makes it easier to adjust when you've got dirty hands. Leaves a nice feathering edge, and to give it out the score, I'll probably give it a 5 out of 5.
Hey Hamish, how'd you rate them?
Yeah, all in all, I think it's a top quality box, flat box. Opens up nice and wide for easy cleaning. Good quality design, nice and light, well balanced, and as you can see, feathers are joined out absolutely perfectly. So I give it a thumbs up.